What's up everybody? My name is Dice from Deborah, and in this video I'm going to show you how and when to top up your Zeropark balance. As you can see, I'm in the Zeropark dashboard right now, and what we're going to do is we're going to increase our credit. So right now it says $477.03, and right next to it, it says top up. Top up meaning depositing extra credit into your account. When would you recommend this to do? When you are reaching at least 50% in spend of your daily budget. So you will get a notification by Zeropark per email when you are on low funds or when it's estimated to be running out of credit. Usually this happens like 7 days in advance, so they look at your average spend and they look at how much credit you have and they give you a notification to top up your balance. What happens if you do not top up your balance in time? All your traffic will stop because Zeropark cannot bid for traffic and you cannot win the auction because you do not have enough available credit on the Zeropark platform. So that is of course very important. Zeropark itself, when you're in the dashboard, it will also show out of budget, out of credit, minus sign usually, and then you know you need to top up for your campaigns to run. So you can do several currencies, as you can see, US dollar, euro, pounds, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, all kinds of different options there. If you do, for instance, a different option, then you can see some options might not be available. So a bank transfer is a minimal amount, $1,000, USD, euro, or I think this is a Polish currency. No PayPal. PayPal only supported for US dollars. Web money, credit card. When you go to British pounds, something else changes. So no web money, only credit card, and only credit card actually. Unless you pay with US dollars, then PayPal is available. So there's different options available. You have 300. You can see the service fee. So the service fee is the processing, I would say, right? Then you have 500, 1,000. And if you do credit card, what's the highest amount you can do? Let's do 5,000. The first credit card top-up limit is 300, so it goes in stages, right? Credit card limits, if you reach your daily monthly credit card limit, you have two options. Use another payment method, web money, PayPal, or bank transfer, or contact support@zeropark.com to ask if you have your limit increased. That probably has to do with different things like chargebacks, for instance, that they want to keep their site safe. We usually use PayPal, and what you can do with PayPal, I think is it 1,000? Well, let's do 5,000. No, 5,000 is too much. The payment would exceed the limit of 5,000 for PayPal top-ups. Okay, then you have to contact support again. Warning for new customers. Your PayPal address needs to match your Zeropark account address. If you top up for a different account, it will ask you to complete a verification. Verification process will describe in more details once you complete the payment process and log into your account. Again, with the credit card, also PayPal limits. So they really guarantee security here. So if you do web money, they charge a higher fee, of course. And for PayPal, we already deposit some money. So let's say we do 3,000, then you can see the $120 service fee. So your total will be 3,120 because the top-up amount is 3,000. With the bank transfer, so let's say we do like 50,000. Is that possible? Yes. Service fee 0. Of course, you have the wire fee and the foreign exchange fee, which might apply. So there's different options available, credit card, web money, PayPal, bank transfer, depending on the different currencies you're going to transfer in. And of course, for most things, there is a service fee. They help you with like 300, 500, 1,000. You can do a custom amount as high as you want, but you only have to take into consideration the credit limits. To remove these credit limits, contact support@zeropark.com and they will assist you with any of the issues that you might experience. If you have any questions on how to top up your balance, if it's something's not clear and what the different options are, leave them down in the comments below and I'll be sure to have a look.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.